And in this video, I'll show you how to set up a meta ad campaign inside LenzVU in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Start by going to the Marketing tab, then open Ads Manager and click on Add New to create a new campaign. Step 2. You'll now be in the Ad Campaign section. Here, you can set your daily budget and choose your campaign schedule by selecting your start and end date and time. Step 3. Next, choose your target platform. You can run your ads on Facebook, Instagram, or both, depending on your goals. Step 4. In the Upload section, add your creative. You can upload an image, a video, or even create an image carousel for your ad. Step 5. Now enter your ad content. Add your primary text, headline, description, and select a call to action. Once done, save your changes. Step 6. Next, define your target audience. You can select a custom or lookalike audience and even exclude specific groups if needed. Step 7. Set up your geographical targeting by entering zip codes or specific area locations where you want your ads to appear. Step 8. Now move to the lead capture section. Here, you can choose where your leads will go. If you select a landing page, simply choose your desired page from the list. Or, if you prefer a meta form, you can set up your form by adding an intro, contact fields, submission message, call to action, and a redirect URL. Once everything is set, click Save. And that's it, your campaign is ready to publish. You can also preview your ads before going live. And that's how you set up a meta ad campaign in LenzVU.